Here's a complete guide on how to enable a 2FA authenticator here on the Online Plus app. Remember that this app was previously launched by ICE Network, and currently you can move all your ICE coin or ION coins or tokens to this app, and it's a full-fledged decentralized app. So here I'm just going to be showing you how to complete the security process. Completing the security process is one of the things you have to do to secure your account so that no one happens to have any access to your wallet or steal your coins. All right, so that's the purpose of creating a 2FA authenticator, is to add more security to your Online Plus app. Okay, so here is how to do the process. Kindly ensure that you are watching and like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So first place you have to go is to click right here. In this button. You enable it, then as soon as you get there, you click right here, and then you click on settings, and then you get to where you have this security right here. You tap on it, and then as soon as you tap on it, you click on where you have this authenticator. You tap on it, and then these are the various options that you can select. These are the various authenticator apps that you can use, but I prefer this Google Authenticator. So you can download this app if you don't have it on your Android phone. So download it. This is the logo. It's on Play Store. It's also on iOS Store. Go ahead and download it. Then after downloading it, come right here. You click on this Google Authenticator. You tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, it's going to take you to your Google Authenticator app. Here, this Google Authenticator app won't be opening because of security reason. You can't see it. You can't see the screen. You can't screen record the app, but you have to click on where you have to go ahead with the process. You have to click on where you have this plus sign at the bottom right corner, where you have this plus sign. You click on it. All right, as soon as you click on where you have this plus sign at the bottom left corner, it will open up scan a QR code, and it will also open up enter a setup key. So just go ahead and tap on where you have that enter a setup key at the bottom. Just tap on enter a setup key, okay? And then you will tap. After tapping on that enter a setup key, it will load up another page, another section where you have a code name, and you also have a write-up, your key write-up, and also you also have a type of key. So where you have this code name here, just go ahead and type any name of your choice that I can use to identify that. Okay, let's just type online plus. So this is my code name I'm going to be using to identify what the code is all about. Okay, so you just minimize now and go back to that online app, and there is a code that you have to copy. You have to copy from the online app. All right, there's a code you have to copy from that online app that you are gonna be inserting on your Google Authenticator. All right, so just go back to where you have security, go and copy that code. All right, okay. You can now come back here and click on next. All right, you come back to this place and click on next right there in the app, and then it will load up this key. Just go ahead and copy this key right here and go back to that Google Authenticator and insert that key right there. Okay, so I'll just come back to my Google Authenticator, insert that key right here. Okay, in the middle where you have your key, then you click on add. As soon as you click on add, it has automatically added. All right, it has automatically added. You can check down, you see that it has been added automatically. So you go back to the app and click on next. All right, you click on next. As soon as you click on next, you have to go and confirm the code. So what you have to do is to go back to the Google Authenticator, then ensure that you just copy this code that you see right there, the code that is showing there in your Google Authenticator. Come here, you click on that code, you paste that code that was copied from your Google Authenticator right here, and then you click on confirm. Okay, then you successfully protected your account. So congratulations, this is how to go about the process. I've successfully added another layer of security to my online plus. All right, so if you have any question, kindly leave them at the comment section, and don't forget to hit and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.